y'all. Here's our tractor coming in. Our tractor's coming in. Here it is, the John Deere 3203 coming to the homestead, y'all. Here it is, it's coming. Here it is. New tires and everything, yeah. There it is, y'all. Check it out. There it is. There's our tractor. It's here, y'all. Taking delivery of the John Deere 3203 tractor. All right. That's it. That's what we're using on our homestead right here. This is Carolina's equipment, repairs and service. My man Shorty always gets to work. Look at this thing, y'all. It's looking good. John Deere 3203 coming to the homestead. Got a tiller on the back. Woo! Check it out. Got a rototiller 4060. That's a 5-foot tiller, right? Yeah.
Too big for this tractor.
Think so?
Well, I mean, it's not really too big.
Just the width.
You ain't gonna be able to raise it all the way up.
Right.
You can raise it up, you know, where it's about that far off the ground. But if you raise it up in higher, your notch is gonna be hitting your tires.
Yeah.
I mean, you probably could do away with them from inside here and maybe put them, buy you the pins from Tractor Supply.
Yeah.
Stick in a hole, and then put these on the inside with the clevis. That'll work.
Okay.
I should start bolt food for right now.
I see that. Taking delivery of the 3203 John Deere here on the homestead. This is Carolina's equipment. This is Shorty. He ain't short, y'all. He's about 6'8". He ain't short.
Doing a video?
Yeah. I have on YouTube station.
On YouTube?
Yeah. Taylor's Pride Homestead.
I got you.
Yeah. Here it is, y'all. Check it out. We're going to be able to do some work around the homestead now. TP Nation. Check it out. The John Deere 3203 being added to our homestead. Ooh, I like that trailer. That's nice. We just bought a trailer last week. We got that trailer. We got a dump truck. We cleaning the yard up, y'all. I know it's a lot of stuff in the yard. All right, look at that. Chance, put that washer in the back. That washer. So we're in the house, y'all. Check us out. We got our truck, we got our trailer, and we got our tractor here on the homestead. Hey, the homestead's looking good, guys. Still in gear. All right, John Deere got a bucket on the front.
Model number.
3203.
Type in headlights.
Okay.
You it should pop up.
Okay.
You can get a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I know I gotta get another seat too. Get another seat. That seat's all right for now.
Look, if you look right here, you see where that bolt is rubbing right there?
Yeah.
So that's the only thing. And this, like I said, if you go to Tractor Supply and get you some of those pins, the bull pins, with the nuts on the back, get one that'll fit inside this hole. You with me? And you can stick it in there. I actually got one that's long that'll go all the way through there. And then you might could use that bolt if you had a nut for it. But you need a different size bolt for that side.
Yeah. So
I didn't have no pins or nothing, so I just stuck in.
I don't want to cut it into the tire.
If you bring these on the inside, that'll take it away from the tire. You with me?
Bring the levers.
Yeah, bring the ears.
Yeah.
On the inside.
Okay, I got you.
And that'll bring them away from the tire.
Okay, cool.
So we ran it. We serviced this while we had it. Filled both of them up with oil.
That little thing is supposed to have an arm. I don't know what happened to that arm. It holds the tiller on the ground.
Holds the tiller on the ground.
Right here is a stake that goes right here.
Oh, you talking about the foot?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's got a little foot. That way you can unhook it and it'll stay sitting up. I ain't got nothing, but you can get you a piece of square tubing.
Yeah. All right, you two, I'm gonna shut this down. We gotta take care of business, and I'll holler at y'all later.